Welcome to Badge 2, AI Mindset Builder. This badge provides you with the foundational tools to develop a strong connection with AI systems, enabling personalized and effective interactions. By completing this badge, you will learn how to profile user-specific needs, connect the dots for tailored outputs, and build a comprehensive understanding of how AI aligns with your unique expertise. Additionally, you will discover how to distinguish yourself by refining AI's ability to optimize its understanding of you as a user, creating a unique edge in AI adoption. Finally, you will master the AI-powered mindset levels of implementation, applying AI strategies effectively at personal, organizational, and societal levels. The course consists of 3 engaging sessions designed to guide you step-by-step in building an AI-powered mindset. Session 2.1, Connecting with the AI. Learn how to establish a meaningful connection with AI systems by profiling user-specific needs and using contextual understanding to generate personalized outputs. Session 2.2, Standing out from the crowd. Discover strategies to optimize AI's understanding of your unique attributes and distinguish yourself as a distinctive user through tailored applications. Session 2.3, The AI-powered mindset levels of implementation. Explore the AI-powered mindset framework and learn to operationalize AI strategies at individual, organizational, and societal levels to drive meaningful change. By following this structure, you will develop a clear and actionable AI mindset for impactful implementation. By the end of this course, you will achieve the following learning objectives. Build a meaningful connection with AI systems by profiling user-specific needs and leveraging contextual understanding to create personalized and relevant outputs. Discover strategies to enhance AI's understanding of your unique attributes, enabling you to stand out as a distinctive user through tailored applications. Analyze the AI-powered mindset framework and apply AI strategies effectively across individual, organizational, and societal levels to maximize impact. This badge is perfect for professionals across industries offering practical knowledge to enhance workplace performance. Students from any academic background bridging theory and practice to prepare for the future. Corporates, a tailored course for organizations to upskill teams and develop AI strategies. This badge requires 3 hours of active engagement, including lessons, videos, readings, and assessments. To fully absorb the material, plan for an additional 3 hours of reflection and analysis, making the total time commitment approximately 6 hours. Start your AI journey today. Enroll in the AI Essentials Explorer badge and unlock the AI-powered version of yourself. Take the first step toward mastering AI and transforming your future.